Hello guys, welcome back to Elliot Tech Tips, and today I'm going to show you how to insert horizontal lines onto a Word document. But before I start, make sure to subscribe and to like this video. Do that now. Right, I'm going to show you two methods today. The first one will require you to use a table. Okay, so you're going to go to Insert, you're going to go down to Table, and you're just going to have a table that is 1 by 8. Okay, simple as that. So now we've got some horizontal lines, but it's enclosed with a border, so we need to get rid of that border. So you're going to click on the top here till it's all highlighted. You're going to come up to here where it says borders, click on the arrow, and we're going to get rid of all the outside borders. Okay, now you might be thinking, well, there are some dotted lines. Okay, they're just telling you that's where they would be. If you went to print it, and I'll show you now by Control P, they actually won't appear in the printed format. Okay, so don't worry about that. If you want to make more lines, you just go to the bottom line and press Enter, and you continue to do this until you have the amount of lines you want. So that is the first method of doing it. The second one is slightly different, and that is using dashes. Now, in order to make a full line using dashes, I'm not asking you to click the dashes multiple times until you have a full line. That would be ridiculous. What Word's very good at, if you put in 3 dashes, just like this, and I'll zoom in for you now, and then press Enter, it gives you a whole line. And you can do that again. So make sure it's 1, 2, 3 dashes and Enter. Okay, so 2 methods of putting horizontal lines into your Word document. If you wanted to increase or decrease the space between the lines on your Word document, you can easily do that. So first and foremost, you've got to highlight the area, just like that. Come up to line and paragraph spacing, and here you can adjust the line spacing between the lines. The higher number it becomes, the larger the space between the lines. If you want to decrease, you need to put add space after paragraph. Okay, before paragraph means that the lines get wider apart. Okay, that's another way to make sure you got the lines exactly how you want them. It's easy as that, guys. I'll see you next time.